just ain't words that I'm spitting. If you can see the thought that's in my head. Let's go. I think it's time to go. Let's go. I'm on my nose.
Hey kitties, welcome to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So if you like that, go ahead and subscribe. Today we're going to be doing our nails featuring SHEIN press-on nails. Okay, so for long-lasting nails, of course, you need a really good nail glue. This is from Amazon. I stand by it. It lasts a really long time. It's very strong. Of course, you're going to need a nail clip to just clip away some of the excess nails. And you're going to also need a nail file. One of these does come in with the actual nails from SHEIN. And on this video, I'm going to use these tabs as well as glue. You'll see. It's so good. And of course, some alcohol. So I just had an alcohol pad. Now, before I do my nails, I like to do a nice little scrub. I mean, I need my hands to look good, soft, radiant, and I use a body scrub to do that, a hand and body scrub. And so you're just going to grab your favorite scrub and do that. But before I actually scrub, I wet the hands, of course, because it is an emulsified scrub that I'm going to use. Emulsified scrubs bring a lot of hydration to the skin. It makes your skin feel really soft and very just, youthful. Okay. Now, this scrub is from Sugar Scoop Beauty. If you have been a follower here or a subscriber here, you know that I had my small business for 3 years. And very recently, I stepped away from it. So the website is no longer up. I mean, it was going great after the pandemic for about 3 years until it just wasn't. And then it started to become a bill. So I had to kind of step away and regroup. But these are one of the scrubs from our line, and this was Slushy. So I absolutely love them because, of course, I make them. And they're really good, actually. So maybe I might revisit that in the future. But for now, that is absolutely on hold. But we had a good 3 years, So I'm just going to go ahead and use it and scrub my hands, buff away any dead skin. But my hands are pretty soft normally because I do this, ever so often. I do use these scrubs, so my hands are typically pretty soft. But we're going to go ahead and rub away any dead skin, especially around the cuticles, because you want your set to look good. And your hands have to look nice in order for the nails to look nice to me. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and exfoliate. And then once we exfoliate, of course, we're going to rinse away that scrub. So although you're doing your nails yourself in the convenience of your own home, the comfort of your own home, you can still sort of romanticize the process. You know what I mean? Still make yourself feel good. Still take your time. Pamper yourself. I find this a lot more relaxing than being in a nail shop getting my nails done. I have not had my nails done in a nail shop since the pandemic, and I don't plan on going back. Honestly, we're only doing pedicures there. That's it. So I'm just going to rinse away all of that scrub. With an emulsified scrub, it rinses away so nice and clean, but it leaves your skin feeling soft and supple. It doesn't feel drying at all. I just absolutely love it. You can only imagine what it does for the body. I just love this scrub. All right, so this is a cuticle pusher. This is just one I had from Amazon, and I'm going to go ahead and use that. But first, we're going to clip away the excess nails. When it comes to press-on nails, it's really beneficial for you to have your nails as short as it can be, because the more surface these nails have to stick to, the more likely they are to lift. Okay, so you definitely want to clip that away, and then you're going to buff the surface. So when the surface is too smooth, a lot of times the nails can just pop up. When you file it or buff it first, it gives a great surface for the nail to adhere to. So it does a lot better job just gripping to your actual nail bed. So if you want your nails to last long, this is a step that you definitely should not avoid. Okay, so go ahead and buff that out. I really need to get the little drill because I do my nails so often. Like, why am I still using this? But this comes along with the set, so I just want you guys to see that. But I really should invest in a nail drill because I do this all the time. All right, so I'm going to use the cuticle pusher to push back the cuticles. Another vital step to help your nails look very natural, like an actual set and not like press-ons, is when you go ahead and glue them down, you can slide it a little under that cuticle that you've pushed back, and it's just a seamless, when I say seamless, a seamless application, okay? Now you're just going to wipe everything away with the alcohol. That way, any oil or anything that was on your nails, the alcohol sort of dries that out, which also makes it much better to adhere. All right, so let's get into these nail tabs because people, a lot of times, you guys sleep on these nail tabs, okay? You probably just throw them out. So I'm going to go ahead and attach these nail tabs. Now, they can be really sticky, so you have to be careful. You're just laying the sticky side down against your nail bed, of course, and you're going to just fit all of them on, and there's a little tab at the end that you can pull it off when you need to. Combining these sticky tabs with a really great glue is a seamless application, and you guys are going to see. So I have all the tabs on. Okay, so one by one, I'll remove them as I put on the press-on nail. These are nails from SHEIN. Okay, they look so good. This is considered their handmade nails. There's only 10 in the pack, so you have to choose your size. The size that I have is a medium. So they have small, medium, and large, and these are so gorgeous. All right, so let's go ahead and remove that tab. Then we're going to grab the nail, okay? You're going to drop a dot of glue. Be careful with this glue because the girl is strong, okay? So just a drop of this glue, and then you're going to angle it like a 45-degree angle, and then you're just going to press down slowly. And do you see how there's no air bubbles? And what really helps that is, of course, the technique, but those sticky tabs, yeah. That barrier in between your nail and the press-on nail, it's needed, especially if you have flat nails or your nail bed isn't as curved as the press-on nail maybe, and you may deal with the air bubble sometimes because of that. But if you add that layer of the sticky tab and then the glue, yes, it's a game changer, and it still lasts very long, and it's also really great for removing the nails. Okay, so it's less damaging when you remove them, and the nails never actually pop off because it has like that sticky adhesion. It just doesn't pop off. It may lift, and you may be able to tell that it's time to remove it, but they won't just fly off. Have you ever been like doing something and they just pop off? That can happen, okay? But with the sticky tabs, there's a little bit of stickiness there. It's like, hold on, girl. You might lift a little bit, but you're not gonna fly off. Not today. Not today. So we're just going to continue to remove the tabs, and as you can see, the sticky tab on this nail was a little long, so you can just file away the excess tab. All right, so there we are. So we just drop a little drop in the center of the nail, continue to angle it at a 45-degree angle, and then press down slowly. And when you press, I need you to press and I need you to hold it, like give it at least 30-40 seconds before you let go. Okay, so that is a technique that you need to not skip when applying press-on nails, especially if you need them to last long. The set is coming along really good. They're fitting so nicely. That is a plus to purchasing the handmade nails from SHEIN and getting them in your size. It cuts your prep time down. You don't have to fumble around trying to fit the nails because you've purchased the set that fits your nails pretty precisely. At least for me, the medium was like a perfect fit. I didn't have to file or customize to make them fit to my nail bed. It fits perfectly, and I think I'm going to continue to buy the handmade set that has only 10 in there, okay? Because I like that. I like not having to figure out which one fits because that takes a little bit of time. That's one of the key steps in applying press-on nails is making sure you find the ones that fit, and if they don't fit, you have to file them and contour them to the shape of your nail if you want a seamless application, that is, okay? But these nails are so pretty. Like, they were, I forget how much they were, but they were like less than $5, maybe $3 or $4. 10 to 15 minutes to do them. The girl math it's working out for us this time around. It's working out. All right, so I have all the nails on. I'm going to go ahead and just file the tip just to get that little tab, that little sharp piece that's at the end. I'm just going to round that out and just look at these nails. They're so gorgeous. I think these are cute for fall. What do you think? I guess the leopard makes it like a little cute. So now I'm going to grab the body butter. Again, this is from Sugar Scoop Beauty, guys. I made this body butter. It's like the best. I never really buy lotion or a body butter anywhere else because I can make it here at home and I love it. It's so creamy. The one that I'm using right now is called Mini Macaroon. It smells like an almond cookie. It smells like it just is the most delicious smell, and it's so perfect for fall. When I layer this on my skin and put my perfumes, girl, I really do be smelling good. Like, yeah, scrumptious good. Yeah. But look at the nails. Let's get back to the nails. Baby, do you see this set? I'm going to make sure that I go outside so you guys can see it in the sun. I absolutely love this set. There's no reason for me to go to a nail shop when I can do this at home. Like, look how beautiful this set is. Hopefully you guys learned something. You got some really great tips. Of course, if you love the video, be sure to like it. Don't forget to subscribe. You got to come back, watch another video, talk to the kitties in the comments. But girl, look at my nails. I did this at home. Does this not look like a full set? Like, let's be honest. Oh my God. Yeah. SHEIN, less than $5. Took me less than 15 minutes to do. Girl, get you some. I have everything linked in the description. And see you guys later. Bye, kitties.
This time I feel so